Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. This is going to be a new playlist for a series of videos that my buddy Scott had suggested. And he wanted to see all my gear. Now, I thought about how I was going to do that. I spent like a week thinking about it, like, how am I going to do that? Because if I did it all in one video, it would just be, the video would just be monstrous. So, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down into segments. Like literally I'm going to be doing a whole video on tarps and ground sheets and also ponchos, which I have all sitting over here ready to go. That'll be probably right after this one. Excuse me. Just finished lunch. So yeah, I'll be doing that. And if you guys have any questions, you know, you can always fire away in the comments. You know, how do you like this? How do you like that? Where do I find this? I'll try to get links for everything I can. Now, I'd asked on my community poll if you guys wanted an Amazon store just for quick, convenient, click, click, click. You can, you know, I wouldn't expect you to go buy from my store, but you know, I also wasn't going to harass you about it either, like a lot of YouTubers do. The only problem is it looked like they wanted $35 a month to run one. So unless I read it wrong, there's no store. So you know, what are you going to do? I'll try to get links where I can. A lot of the stuff you're going to see that I've already had, but you know, the request was all my gear. So you know, what are you going to do? Camera's tilted. So yeah, a few videos I'm going to add to the playlist that I've already done. Like, I'm going to add the video which cook set would I choose, although it's not specifically going all my gear, but I do talk about all my cook sets. So that's going in there. I did a video, all my knives, which is going to go on there. But I might do a follow-up, you know, the rest of my knives, and show you the new ones I've gotten since that video. I might do one on all my saws, you know, all my cups, silverware and all that stuff, and just, you know, and then whatever suggestions you guys have. Hey, I want to see all your tents, and I want to see all your hats, and I want to see whatever you want. Just fire away. So if you're watching this video, below will be the playlist link. You can also check my channel for playlists, and you can go and check that out. You know, and it's great to do that here at the park because, you know, you can see it's dumping down rain again. So I can always come out here to this covered area, you know, as long as there's no one else here, knock out a bunch of videos, show you a bunch of stuff I have, talk about it. If you guys have any suggestions, like maybe I should rate it, you know. But then it's like whatever preference, you know, you have may not be what I have. So, but, you know, we just touch and go, see how it goes. Yeah, so should be an interesting playlist. I gotta start making notes on what gear I'm gonna be going over, or I could just ask you what do you want to see next? You want to see all my stoves, or all my drinking vessels, or all my water containers, or whatever. So you know, the channel is not just for me; it's also for you, the viewer. So yeah, let me know what you think. As always, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to check the link in the description. And I hope you have a great day. Catch you in the next one.